to transfer every single image for you. And first thing first, we're gonna apply the whole one layer, one coat on the nails. Complete the nails. Make sure you do cover everything, otherwise it's not going to transfer. 30 seconds. And you can using any like part of it. Use this part or that part, however you want. This part. Or this part. I think if you're like me, you can do this, and if you're like, what is this on me though? Oh no, Mickey. Huh? Mickey me. Use it right here. After 30 seconds, I am going to press. Give a good pressures. Rub good on the nails. So for all of you just tuning in, welcome to Glitz Subscription Such Live. It's really like transfer everything. And then if you want, like, if you don't want anything else, you can leave it completely alone like this and top coat. Either you're doing a matte top coat or a shiny top coat, and then you're good to go. I'm gonna add some cute things in there. Let's see what I get. See, I have a heart in there. Maybe I should put the heart in there. From the starter kits, Valentine starter kits. Let me see which one. The big one. This one. Yeah. You can do the love one. And then one of the darker crystal. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and using condensed blue gels. I'm just dressing up just a little bit. You can definitely top coat it and key it for 60 seconds. You're good to go. But we are gonna add some crystal on. Apply the really good layer, not too thick, not too thin. Too thick is gonna flutter your crystal. Too thin is going to not adhere your crystal properly. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out, and don't forget with the no wipe top coat, like right on the top. This foil is so adorable. You can use this if you like matte finish. I want to add this on. And then it's so cute because she had a heart here and a heart here. And I'm gonna using a globe crystal to dressing around. You can do however you would like. And don't limit of what you can create a lot of cute designs with. That's it. I think I'm happy with this. So we're going to here. Oh no, hold on, one more down here. And I'm happy with this. We're all going to cure for 60 seconds.